on a mission to get this movie, The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2, The Secret of the Ooze, back to my friend Jessica. Let's go. Oh my god, Jessica, I brought you your movie back.
Finally.
Yeah. What? Finally?
This isn't even the right movie.
What are you talking about?
It's Girl Fight.
Oh, it's a red light, and you know what this means? A red light challenge! This crosswalk to that crosswalk. It's a red light, so we've triggered another red light challenge! The challenge is to close up all of your vents and sit there until the light is green. Red light challenge! You're gonna stare at the car next to you the entire time. Please don't look over here. Please don't look over here. Oh shit. How I always end up in the slow lane. Oh, they got an equal sign on their Honda, you guys. Equal sign. If you're a Terminator 2 fan, it's not a Tuma. Get to the chopper! If you're a fan of Terminator 2, we're in Chatsworth right now, and that's where they filmed the chase scene. Can you turn any slower? Oh my Jesus. We are here, Asia Salon.